Happy Tuesday and happy Cinco de Mayo. Hey Royal Family, what's up? Posting this video kind of late, but I wanted to do my contribution to Cinco de Mayo. So we're going to do a really cool, refreshing drink. Now, this is my version of a Cinco de Mayo drink, all right, you guys? I don't have any jalapenos to put in, which I don't think I would have with this drink anyway. But also I'd like to say, people, be nice. When people visit your videos and it's something they don't like about them, as my mom always stated, if you don't have anything nice to say, just don't say nothing. So be nice when you visit people's YouTube channel. And if you don't like their food or you don't like something they did, how about just not comment? All right? But anyway, this is my version of a Cinco de Mayo drink. So let's get started with the ingredients. Here I have some green crystal sugar that we're going to do the rims with, that I got from Michael's. Also, I have a little bottle of vodka. You know, I love my little drinks, my little bottles. So one I'm going to do without liquor, and the other one I'm going to do with liquor. Also, you guys, if you have never had this, oh my Lord, let me show you. This is Baskin Robbins Daiquiri Ice. This is some kind of delicious, you guys. I mean, it's just wonderful. And these are the, I'm always having to decorate. These are the cute little glasses. Yeah, I got them at the dollar store. That we're going to do our Cinco de Mayo drink in. And also you're going to need, I have 2 small 7-Ups. I don't know if I'll need them both, but I might. And also have this in the back, don't know why. You're going to need a lime that I just sliced, because we're going to do the rim of the glasses with the lime and then put it down in the sugar. Excuse me, you guys, but I'll show you. All right, let's get started. So we're going to take some of this sugar. You see that? We're going to put that down. We're going to take the rim of this glass, and you're going to take the lime and you're just going to go around it, because you want something to stick. Okay, I hope this don't. All right. And then you're going to make sure I have this spread out. Let's just do this. You see that? Now let's just hope this baby stick. All right, look. Is that gorgeous or what? All right, let's do the other one real fast. Let's do the lime around it. And if there's any juice that falls in your glass, just let it drip out on the paper towel. All right, let's bring the sugar back together. And we're going to see, there we go. You see the sugar? Okay, and this is going to be pretty fast. So let's move this. Okay, let's bring our glasses. 1 for now. All right. And we're going to take probably a tablespoon of this Daiquiri Ice, and we're going to put it in the bottom. I want you guys to see this. And this is a sorbet So it's Baskin Robbins Daiquiri Ice Sorbet. So let's do, let's say 2. All right, let's put this one in. Be careful with your sugar. Come on out. Let's do one more. So we're going to do 3 tablespoons. I mean, those are heaping tablespoons, all right? Can you see that? Okay, let's take this. I hope this is showing pretty well. All right, so we got 3 tablespoons of the Daiquiri Ice in it. Now I'm going to put the vodka in this one. Now I'm going to say a half a bottle of this little bitty one. See, this is for the grown. This is for the grown and sexy. Know what I mean? And then we're going to finish it off. Very quick video. We're going to finish it off with a 7-Up. Look at that. And I promise you guys, this is going to taste so delicious. And yes, we will need both cans. And then just take a lime slice and put it right there. Okay, can you see that? So I'm going to do the other one, and when I come back, I will show you the final presentation. All right, here is the finished product of the Daiquiri Ice Cinco de Mayo drink. This one over here, I have the vodka in, and this one over here, I don't. You guys, this drink is so amazing. I promise you, you have to try it. The Daiquiri Ice and the vodka, it'll get your day started right also. So I'm going to take a quick sip from, don't tell nobody, the one with the liquor in it. Oh, wow. That is a winner chicken dinner. And I got these little decorative straws at Michael's. So, you know, that kind of match the color of the glass. So this is a pink one, and this is a yellow one. But you guys, try this recipe out. Now, the one without the vodka is very kid-friendly. No, the Daiquiri Ice does not have any alcohol in it. It's just a sorbet. So it's also good for kids. But, you know, if you're feeling kind of grown and sexy, go ahead and add the vodka to it. All right, you guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. And please invite other of your friends to Mrs. O's channel and go through my playlist. Again, thank you to all of my new subscribers, and thanks to my ride or die subscribers. God bless you. You guys stay safe, and I will see you again very soon.